Now, tracking some weather right now for us.
Yeah, unfortunately, Tessa, tornado watch now in effect for our counties along I-77. This does not include Cuyahoga County at this time and points eastward. So we're looking at that potential for some spin-ups. Not a zero chance, but a very isolated threat of maybe some tornadic development throughout the next couple of hours. This watch is in play until about 4 o'clock this afternoon. We have one severe thunderstorm warning right now, but keeping a close eye on it across parts of Summit, down towards Canton, and even into northern Tuscarawas County. So let's take a look at some of the rotation that is starting to take shape, which is not good news. A lot of the wind shear, that engine that drives a lot of these severe thunderstorms, is very, very substantial here in the atmosphere over the next couple of hours. And there's a little bit of instability kind of growing, and that is also bad news. So that threat for maybe a brief spin-up will be a possibility. So just south of the Canton Tuscarawas line, a little bit of rotation a possibility, and North Canton, a little bit of at least rotation on the radar as we speak. We'll keep a very close eye on this as it does continue to develop over the next few hours and break in if needed.